So this is my project for CA2. On accessing the application, we're presented with the regular homepage, which uses the Discover endpoint from TMDB, piped through the developed web API, and that displays the first page from that endpoint. The movie filters still work, so I could search. I can sort by a genre and a minimum rating. Currently, as we are not logged in, the only things we have access to are home, login, and sign up. And if I try to favorite any of those, it'll say please log in to add favorites. So we will go and create an account. So on the account creation process, I have added the ability to add an image, which is using Cloudinary for the storage, and the user model was modified to account for that so we could retrieve it later. So we can enter in a username here. And for the password, we can see the password requirements are displayed below, which will update in real time as I type. So I've entered a password there, but I haven't satisfied one of the requirements. So we'll pop in that, and we'll just duplicate that here. So in this case, I have already created an account with this username Pixel. So if I try to create the account, it'll say the username already exists. So we'll change that out to, sure, 10. And we'll attempt to create the account again. Can create it successfully, redirecting to login. So this brings us to the login page where we can use the username and password. So I have purposely entered the password in wrong. So if we sign in, wrong password, that's entered incorrectly, and we get straight back to the initial home page. So now that we're authenticated, we have access to home, upcoming, popular, in theaters, top rated, and there's also a displayed avatar or profile picture in that. So we can go through upcoming, popular, in theaters, top rated. All of these, of course, going through the web API. So within this user avatar, I've provided some extra navigation. So we have profile, favorites, and watch list. So if we go to the profile first, the profile page is really just to display statistics from the account. So favorites, watch list, and reviews. However, reviews doesn't work. So to demonstrate that, we can go home. We can favorite Lilo and Stitch. And first of all, if we go to favorites, we can see that is populated there. And if I go to the profile, the favorites has incremented. So if we log out really quick, which we can do through the avatar or the profile page, and we can log into another one of my accounts, we can see it saved my favorites from my last logged in session. So it saves those to the database using a new model. And we go to the profile, we can see I have 2 favorites on this account.